arni kan sam por pai trok ahun malom am tereng pen lo el luboi kaceleng atowar along lo el luboi ahi thelong bojar hormuhor tar kache jordan atum amethang ahem kachewang bom ahu ako pai kelang nu pen ajo AS02 AC 4152 atrak kachingkoi buk ajok adim along amat bangathom apran kedam lapen bangtre posose abang phiatum arengahu sonang arengahu keso tum phantong sekot pen am tereng outpost police atum pen boy thalang so PHC along anse kelang jia phan balo tebon sita boy thalang so PHC along doktor kim pikavite rajok ajo piang bong nogau refer pipon boy thalang so pen bir tapang dapon rajen rohang news 24 Karbi Anglong Borpong Havar along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chief Executive Member Thihek Ben CEM Tuliram Ronghang Pendanglok Tim Karbi Anglong doan Kahumri Dam Jipupen Kahumri Dam unidet mate Kahumri Dam dedet ajok pini borpung arat atum aning kiti mate aning kipung kacepak langsi kituntang ahan aan kepangjar ason Teglong
Alit tuntak Teglong lo han nali tung lo Teglong lo ngunit tung aning ke oi pen dak arat tung ningi pung pen lain kha la ana bor pangjar ik lo ana bor pangjar ik lo
News Desk Report News 24 Karbi Anglong Pini Farmer Growth Center along EM Prodip Rongpi Arideng Pen Skill Development Center in Pupon Bangso Mayalong EM Omar Singh Tiso EM Raju Tiso EM Raton Teron MSc Richard Stockby Principal Secretary Mahananda Hajirka IAS Pendanglok binaan kithekining atum Chitongdun Bangso kang po Mayalong Skill Development aputha kachini nangji mate kachali nangji kenang sort lasi pini bangso kachali adim mate classroom ing Pupon puta alang lihin pen jaipon News Desk Report News 24 Karbi Anglong Asa ahampang asong atumpen asam angkang gonta kreni kangker kepapon ahud bukajan police station kapalu sarhajan pen lokhijan adak pang thek tum towar kerangkha hanjalo sopen birta pangdak pon bisnu lekhe News 24 Karbi Anglong Nokbe College a center along ke padupon 2018 lapen 2019 apartment diploma in elementary education Thihek pen DLED training atum pini ben hithom apartment practice teaching along kapre school along Chingponsi research person RP Jaisri Bhuya Jawalin si New Life School along ta padupon Principal Daniel Teronahin pen apor Piponsi Choropa Jeldun News Desk Report News 24 Karbi Anglong